Welcome to Health Steps 24/7. I'm Chris, your social media pharmacist. Today I will be talking on how to wash your hands the right way. Become a health stepper. Walk more. Count those steps. Subscribe to Health Steps 24/7. One of the best ways to protect yourself, your family, your friends, your workmates, and acquaintances is by hand washing done the right way. Washing your hands is necessary because of the way germs can spread from one person to another person. Washing your hands can help keep you and others healthy by preventing the spread of diarrheal and respiratory infections. Germs, for example, bacteria, viruses, and fungi can spread to or from other people or surfaces when you prepare or eat food or drinks without washing your hands, touch your eyes, nose, or mouth without washing your hands, touch any surface or object that is contaminated. For example, frequently touch surfaces including gas pumps, ATM machines, door handles, shopping carts, credit card machines, and money. Cough, sneeze, or blow your nose into your hands. Then give an handshake to others or otherwise touch another person's hand without washing your hands. What are the most important times to wash your hands? It is always the best practice to wash your hands frequently, especially during these most important times when you are likely to get and possibly spread bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other germs. Before or after you treat a cut or wound. After you handle food or treats for your pet. After you touch an animal food, or waste. After you touch garbage. After you use the toilet. After you change diapers or clean up a child who used the toilet. After you blow your nose, cough, or sneeze. After you cared for a family, friend, or someone else who is sick and has symptoms including diarrhea and vomiting. Before or after preparing food for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacking. Before or after you eat food. How to wash your hands properly. What is the right way to wash your hands? Washing your hands is easy. It is one of the best ways to avoid the spread of germs. Washing your hands not only protects you, but can protect an entire community by stopping the spread of germs from person to person or surfaces you touch to persons. When washing your hands, practice the following 5 steps. Step number 1. Wet your hands with clean, warm, or cold running water. Turn off the tap and apply soap. Step number 2. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Make sure you lather the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Step number 3. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Apply some fun to this activity by singing a part of your favorite song that you would typically complete within 20 seconds. Now that's a fun 20 seconds hand washing timer. Step number 4. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. Step number 5. Dry your hands using a clean towel or hair dryer. Now, what do you do if you cannot readily access clean running water and soap? Do you clean your hands if you cannot readily wash your hands with clean running water and soap? What is the alternative? The best way to remove germs in most instances is by washing your hands with soap and clean running water. However, in situations where soap and clean running water are not available at the time when you need to clean your hands, you can use an alcohol-based sanitizer. The alcohol-based sanitizer should contain at least 60% alcohol. Before buying or using any sanitizer to clean your hands, check the product label to see if the sanitizer contains a minimum of 60% alcohol. Why and washing with clean running water and soap is a better option than using a hand sanitizer to clean your hands. Hand sanitizers do not remove all types of germs. When your hands are visibly dirty and greasy, hand sanitizers may not be as effective. Pesticides, heavy metals, and other chemicals may not be removed from your hands by using hand sanitizers. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join me next time for more health videos. Bye for now.